concealer,
sometimes people get
kind of
confused when they
camouflage
see a
and
makeup
fill in the
video
acne
and are
scars.
faced with texture. Many people grew up learning the art
I
of
just put
makeup
it
through the
all over
guise of
where my
YouTube.
acne.
Many grew up unaware of camera filters, the intricacies of photo retouching, how makeup actually looks in real life. Beauty gurus lied to you. They sold you foundations while donning a blurring filter without showing you the way it truly looked. They told you that makeup was undetectable. They told you that it looked like an airbrush while airbrushing their skin in post-production. So let me let you in on a secret. Makeup will always look like makeup, not skin. By its nature, it sits on the skin, and being human, texture is normal. Humans of all sorts have pores and lines, little bumps. Your skin carries the memory of where it's been, and makeup can't hide that. It's not cakey, you're just seeing texture.
Skirt a tiny bit of this. You put more on this side because this is where I got the worst. You can go back over if you need more. These two combined blur out my pores just by themselves. I put it over my lips to fill in so my lipstick don't bleed. I can just put the primers together without this on it, and it blurs. I normally do the concealer on top, but today my face was really red. And with this is a light to a medium shade. And I normally put a generous amount. It's up to you how you want to use it. But if you're on a budget, get these two. You need a primer spray and a setting spray. The ingredients is different. One has glycerin and one is a water base, and they work together, believe it or not. I learned this from Lost in Cosmetics. I'll put her name down. Okay, now you want to go in with the setting spray. They're both water-based, but this one also has glycerin in. So I spray this on. It's got something to do with the acne scars. I don't know what it is, but she's the one that taught me the steps. You can use any primer spray you want. Now we're gonna go in and pat it in. The difference. Oh my God, I fell in love with this stuff. This stuff blurs out my acne scars. I've been using this for a couple of days. I told you I just got it. This is the first true blurring my scars out. I have not had one blur out my scars like this does. Now we're gonna put this on before we do our foundation, because you want it to fill in the hole. I like to take and shake it in the lid, just like that. Then you don't lose any. Tap it where you need to fill in the holes. Get your brush and just brush off all the. Now see how you can see powder in the holes? That's what you want. This is my last setting spray because this is expensive, so I want to use it as last, and I'm trying to use these up so I don't have to buy them no more and go for the good stuff. Now look at that. sealed that up. This is my worst spot, is on this face. Now, foundation. I bought, I mixed them, took them and mixed them up in here. We're gonna put that on my face today. They are a perfect match for my, look at there. Dupe for these colors, the Pebble and the Frisco. If anybody knows a dupe for these two colors mixed up, look at, that's the shade. I need a dupe for the Pebble and the Frisco mixed together. Watch this. It is the perfect color match for my skin. I was in awe yesterday when I put it on my skin. I never had a perfect match for my skin tone. Shade that came out. I need a match for this. Frisco and Pebble mixed up. I need to find a makeup that matches that skin tone. Matches my skin perfectly. It's a cool tone. So I'm on the lookout for a dupe that matches that. Flex Beauty, I know you have makeup. Do you have this color? I am reaching out to you. I am going to text you and see if you have that color, girlfriend. Okay, so the next step I do, I put another thing, a powder on my face to set this, and then I spray it with the Super Set. But when you have acne scars, you need to set that. Then I go in with my bronzers. And I put it. But what works for me may not work for you. This is just what I have learned for Lost in Cosmetic, girlfriend. What you have taught me to cover up my acne scars. And powder, a lot of powder around my lips was to help. See? Now, let's spray it with this good setting spray. Super Set is made by Toy Company. I love this stuff.